Do you want to hide private photos on your Samsung F70 Pro without deleting them or installing any extra apps? In this video, I'll show you a simple and built-in method to hide photos directly from the gallery on your Samsung F70 Pro 5G. The best part is that your photos will stay safely on your phone, but they won't be visible in your normal gallery view. I'll show you exactly where to find this option and how to use it step by step. So don't skip the video because the last step is important if you want to find your hidden photos again later. Let's get started.